Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Holocaust Remembrance Day. Every year on 27 January, the international community comes together to commemorate International Holocaust Remembrance Day. This day was chosen by the United Nations General Assembly to mark the liberation of the Auschwitz-Birkenau Nazi concentration and extermination camp in 1945. The 2023 theme, Home and Belonging, highlights the multidimensional human needs of victims of atrocity crimes and the dangers of hate speech, anti-Semitism, Holocaust distortion and denial and prejudice. Significantly, the Holocaust was a horrific Jewish genocide led by Hitler, the dictator of Germany. The Holocaust, also called the Shoah, was Hitler's final solution for eliminating Jews within Germany's grasp. By the end of the heinous act, around two-thirds of Europe's Jewish population had been killed. In 2005, the United Nations General Assembly resolution on the Holocaust Remembrance designated 27 January as the International Commemoration Day in the memory of the victims of the Holocaust. January 27 was chosen as the date as it was the day when the Auschwitz concentration camp, the biggest concentration camp in Germany, was liberated by the Soviet army in 1945. The resolution condemns all forms of Nazi denial and urges member states to develop educational programs to help prevent future genocides. The European Commission put forward the first ever strategy on combating anti-Semitism and fostering Jewish life on 5 October 2021 to support EU countries and civil society in their fight against anti-Semitism. Holocaust remembrance is an essential pillar of efforts to ensure that we never forget our history.